All right, so Tissot is coming out with a brand new lineup and it is limited. How limited? Well, they're not reporting how limited this is going to be, but they are saying US exclusive, limited quantity, and these will be shipping out February 6th, and they're taking pre-orders as we speak. So my assumption is if you're not pre-ordering this, you may not be able to get this watch. I don't know. Again, I don't know how limited these are going to be, but rest assured that I think that Tissot's testing the waters here. They're using a very unique color scheme, by the way. They're using the black and green. Green is the new blue, and I think it's not a bad color choice. I'm not really against them on that at all, and I do think that these will sell out fairly quickly. And you'll start to see more variants coming in the future, including the Pepsi, I would assume, which is definitely the most popular color variant there is. I would have to assume maybe a Coke, and then some other, maybe just something that comes out of left field from Tissot, maybe a stainless steel bezel or something. But I'm assuming they're going to come out with at least another couple. So rest assured, if you don't get your hands on one, with this particular limited quantity, that you will indeed have an opportunity in the future. Tissot's using, they're sharing parts from two different watches here. They're sharing parts from the Tissot 1000 and the 2000 here. Now this is considered the Tissot Seastar 1000 because it is a 1000 foot water resistant watch. This is also a true GMT, so you are getting the jump hour GMT movement. It is a Powermatic 80 from ETA, and you are getting an 80-hour power reserve. So I don't know of any other GMT that's going to give you that 80-hour power reserve. I know, like my Tudor, for instance, is going to get you 70, which is, in my opinion, close enough. But that's pretty impressive in and of itself from Tissot. Now we are coming in at over $1,000 at $1,225. Now, some of the negatives with this watch. So this is a Tissot Seastar 1000 that's going to be encased in a Tissot Seastar 2000 case. So you're not getting the 43 millimeter case that I actually currently own with my Tissot Seastar right here. So with this one here, you're getting a 43 millimeter case diameter, but you are getting the 21 millimeter in width for the lugs. For this GMT, you're going to get a 46 millimeter case diameter. You're going to get it definitely a bit thicker to fit that new movement in there. And you're going to get 22 millimeter lug width, which is definitely an advantage. But you are going to get that same bracelet that you get from a Tissot Seastar 2000 as well, which is the brushing on the outer links and the polishing on the inner links. You are going to get that quick change system and the exhibition case back as well. The movement looks very, very similar to the Tissot Seastar that I have. Obviously, there's adding an additional hand and an additional complication with the jump hour, which again is going to make it a thicker movement. Therefore, they had to go with the thicker case, which is also the bigger case as well. So definitely a mixed bag here. You are getting that ceramic bezel, and it is going to be unidirectional. So that's a little bit of a bummer. You're not going to get the bi-directional bezel with this one. Again, part sharing. They didn't come up with the bi-directional with this one here. Maybe they'll do that with future models. My hope is in the future models that they will come up with a 43 millimeter variant like they did with the regular Tissot Seastar. You're also getting the Super Luminova, so you're going to get that BGW9, and this version of the Tissot, this generation I should say of the Tissot, the luminescence is the best that I've seen from a Seastar. So you are going to get a brushed stainless steel dial, and you'll see that the striations going vertically on the dial. You do get the typical novel written, like I have on my watch here, except You're going to get the additional GMT as well. The other thing you're going to get, though, that's going to be a little bit different is that date window at the 3 o'clock position as opposed to 6 o'clock. So I'd love to hear what you guys think down below. Are you guys going to get on board, or are you going to just maybe wait and see if there's another colorway? Subscribe, please subscribe, and also click that like button. That is the most charitable way to help support the channel. Thank you so much. God bless, and I'll see you guys next time on AvgJoeWatchReviews.